Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Tatyanna and today's video is going to be a what's in my bag featuring the Felicie. If you guys want to see what fits inside and all the different ways that you can style this bag and wear it, just keep watching. So before we get started, I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching this video, and if you haven't done it yet, make sure you hit that subscribe button. I am so close to 400 subscribers and it would mean so much to me if you guys would hit that subscribe button and be a part of my YouTube channel family. So let's just jump right in. So I'm gonna show you guys what all could fit inside of the Louis Vuitton Felicie. So right now I have basically like what I had in it yesterday. Just a fair warning, I have the iPhone 12 Pro and it cannot fit inside of here when I have other stuff in it. You honestly have to pick, do you want your phone or do you want your wallet? Honestly, like I wish that I was kidding with you guys. So this is a bag that if you need to bring a lot of stuff, you have to hold your phone in your hand, or you just only have your phone and your wallet, just like keep it minimum. But yesterday I needed like a lot of stuff, so I had to carry my phone inside of it, sadly. So my phone is not in here, so let's just jump right in. This is how it looks on the inside. I do have the really pretty ballerina pink color. Honestly, that's what made me like fall in love with this bag. I just love the color and I love the print of it. And this was like a special edition print that came out last year. I want to say around, it was around the same time this year that it came out. So I want to say around July it came out, or June, I'm not sure. So the first thing I have inside of here are my AirPod Pros, and then I have the little bag that comes inside of here. So I'll show you guys what I have in here, and this is literally was stuffed to capacity. So I have my my magnetic liquid eyeliner because I like to wear magnetic lashes, so I have to kind of keep this with me to make sure like if my lashes seem like they're about to come off, like I need to like make sure I can reapply it. And then I have like my little compact mirror that my sister actually has, like a little lip gloss makeup store, and she sells compact mirrors and it's so cute. It says all you need is, and it has like a little heart. The next thing I have is my Fenty lip gloss, my favorite lip gloss, and I mix it with the Bronze Sugar by Juvia's Place, my favorite combo. And then I have my Merit Beauty mascara. Isn't it beautiful? I'm in love with Merit Beauty's like their packaging. Like I'm kind of going through like a phase right now where I'm obsessed with like cute packaging, so I really like their mascara. Show you guys how it looks. I don't know if you can see it. It's really black. I like really rich dark black mascara for my my makeup looks. And that's everything that comes in this pouch. And what I love about this pouch, y'all, is that it's so easy to clean this. It's not like this type of material that is inside of the bag. It's like I don't know what this is. I don't want to say that it's, maybe it is leather. I'm not 100% sure. I'll have to find out for you guys, but it's so easy to wipe it clean. So that's why I do keep my makeup in here, even though it's pink. It's so easy. You can literally just take like a wipe and just wipe it clean and it's brand new again. So the next thing I have in here is the card holder that it comes with as well, and this can hold 8 cards, so I can fit all my cards in here, and then you can keep like cash, receipts. I just have like receipts in here that you can keep inside. So this is how it looks. It's so cute. I just love this color. So that's another thing what I like about the Felicie is that it comes with all these inserts, so you literally get 3 things in one. So I really love that so much. That's everything that's inside of here, and it does have like a little pocket too on the inside that you could keep stuff in here. I think I just have like the stuff that comes in the bag still in here. So now I'm gonna tell you guys all the bag details. So this is the Felicie Pochette in the material damier. It is 8.3 by 4.7 by 1.2 inches. I do have the ballerina pink inside. It has gold color hardware. The chain is 20.9 inches long and it is removable. It comes with a removable zip pocket, which is this one, and it comes with a removable flat pocket with 8 card slots, which is this one. Now I'm going to show you guys all the different ways that you can wear this bag and what made me say I need this purse. I'm going to show y'all how versatile it is. So the first way that you could wear this bag, of course, is as a shoulder bag. So this is how it looks on me as a shoulder bag. And this is how it looks as a shoulder bag, but with the chain still like really long. So like if you just wanted to wear it like on your shoulder, this is how it looks. And for reference, I'm 5'3.5", 5'4", and it stops like right here, like under my hip. So I think it's like the perfect length for like if I wanted to only just wear it on my shoulders. Next way you could wear it, you can cross the chain over like this and open the bag and put the chain inside and just pull it to make sure it's even. And then now you have a shoulder bag, which is my favorite way to wear it. So this is how it looks as a shoulder bag. So the next way that you can wear it is you can tuck the straps inside and now you have a clutch. So if you just needed a going out bag, now you have like a really cute clutch to wear. Another way that you can wear it that you probably had no idea is that you can wear this as a belt bag. So I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. So this part might be a little confusing. So you literally unhook your chain, because I kind of already started. So you unhook the chain off of it because they're all detachable, which is what I love about the bags. I wish they would make all their bags with detachable straps. So once it's detached, you are going to push down on the hook like this, and then you're gonna push it inside of the D-ring. I think that's the proper name of it. So that way the chain can literally go through the inside. I don't know if you guys can see that. So now once you're ready, you're gonna wrap the chain around your waist like where you want it. And then you just close it. And now you have a waist bag. So if you need to be hands-free, all you have to do is attach the hook how I showed you guys. And now you have a hands-free moment and a waist bag. I think this bag is just perfect for your first bag because you can literally take it from day to night, to hands-free, to a clutch. Like, it's so many different ways you can style this bag, which is why I really truly like this bag. I think it's the perfect first bag. And if you don't like this print, you know, you can get the monogram one or you can get the leather one. The options are endless with the color combinations that they have with this bag. There's also like one that just came out recently that I think is so cute. It's like pink and yellow. I'll insert a picture like right here. But I think that bag is so cute. I definitely would like to see it in person to see if I want to add that to like my wish list. But yeah, as you guys see, this bag is amazing. I highly recommend. It's one of my favorite purchases. You cannot go wrong with this bag. As y'all see, it's so many ways you can wear it, so many ways you can style it. Like, I definitely want to make like a styling video of different ways to wear this bag, so be on the lookout for that video. We have reached the end of my video. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and if you haven't yet, make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos from me, and make sure you hit that subscribe button. Guys, I am so close to 400 subscribers. It will mean so much to me if you hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.